Hey viewers, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good by the grace of Almighty Allah. May Allah's blessing upon all of you, who is the King of Kings, who is the Lord of Lords. Today I'm gonna show you how to make tomato puree at home. So it's very easy and simple way to make puree at home. So let's start how to make this puree at home. So guys, tomato puree is ready now. You can save puree in ice cube as well and freeze them in fridge for 30 days. We will do try this and share results with me in comment box. I will wait for your response. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll see you soon with next recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.